had a really nice day out there. Actually, some interesting clouds rolling into the area, but a lot different from yesterday.
It sure was. Yeah, this might actually be the nicest part of our day, with sunshine just about for the whole state and everyone up in Washington. And it's also the warmest part of our day right now. Temperatures about 60 degrees coming out of STOLLER Winery. It just looks magnificent, and hopefully we get some rain, make things a little more green as we go through the week. 59 degrees coming out of the Port of Kalama as well. Notice the cloud coverage up towards areas of Washington. It took some time to really open things up, but if you were looking to the south, you had some nice blue sky there. You can still see some cloud coverage on the satellite. This is a loop over the last couple of hours, so yeah, starting to dissipate as we headed into the late afternoon. And of course, everyone else across the state really enjoyed that blue sky. Another day tomorrow where we won't be dealing with much. No disturbances rolling through for our Monday, but a little bit later in the week. All right, so if we're looking to the side of me here, it doesn't look like we've seen much rain, but then, here we go. We had the 18th. That was yesterday, where we almost collected 1/10 of an inch of rain, and we're up to about 1/4 of an inch for us here in Portland. Yesterday's rain event was actually the wettest that we've seen so far this month. Then April 1st and 2nd. Collecting some very small totals there as well. So it just has been a very dry April, and we haven't seen many of these. And we will get more rain as we go through this week. We don't have to wait another 2-week stretch of time to get some rain showers. In fact, I think Wednesday's event might be the wettest day. It should maybe take over that ranking that I just had a second ago. All right, Futurecast here. Here's Monday morning. All right, so we do have a little bit of wind running out of the southwest, some cloud coverage up to the northwest, Astoria, Warrenton. You may be dealing with some clouds to begin the day. Hopefully some sunshine for everybody by the time we head into the afternoon. We get into Tuesday. Here's about 10:30. It's trying to fire up maybe a couple of light rain showers for the Oregon coast. Not expecting much, though, until probably late Tuesday night into Wednesday when our next disturbance rolls on in. The wettest of that will likely be south of us, but I think this is going to provide us with enough rain to really add to our total, hopefully doubling what we've seen so far this month. And it's still not going to be enough to really have a large impact on our drought conditions, but we will absorb anything that we can get at this point in time. So the whole state will likely get some rain for our Wednesday, maybe even a couple lingering showers heading into Thursday. By Friday, we're okay. We'll probably see some sunshine, maybe temperatures back into the upper 60s, mid to upper 60s by Friday. But also we start to see some cloud coverage once again, and that's going to be because we have another system that will likely push in next weekend, which is kind of a new disturbance that we didn't see the last couple of days. So models are changing, and that means the weather pattern is likely going to change just a bit. So as far as the rain totals go, nothing through our Tuesday, but then we get to Wednesday. Here we go. Here's about midday. Look at those heavier totals off to the south, Newport to Tillamook there. But by the time we get to the afternoon, evening hours, this model's trying to push us at about 1/2 an inch of rain, which is going to be way more than what we've seen so far this month. I think it's overdoing it just a bit. We'll keep an eye on that over the next couple of days. We'll have some updates for you. All right, the coast tomorrow, 57, 70 for the valley, about 70 for the gorge, and upper 60s there for areas of the central sections of the state and off towards the east as well. Beautiful forecast, 58 on Wednesday. Yeah, 67 on Friday, and then a chance for maybe a couple showers heading into next weekend.
Beautiful spring forecast. Okay, thank you, Joseph. Well, action on the court.